I've always been conscious of my eyebrows, and today Best Team's going to fix them for me. So I've had microblading in the past, which has faded, gone a funny colour, which I've had taken out as much as we can.
Eyebrows, they tend to have a unique pattern, which is like a crosshatch or a fishtail pattern. So what tends to happen is the incisions here, they tend to be slightly fanning upwards, and then these will then follow across here, and these will go across here, and they'll cross at some junctions along the point here.
Feel amazing. I am so pleased with the result. I didn't really feel anything, to be honest with you. So today we're on day 3. I thought I'd give you a quick update to show you that I've got slight swelling, a little bit of bruising. The back of my head is almost completely healed. I'm going about my business as normal. So today is day 14, the day I could wash my eyebrows. I personally put some Johnson's baby shampoo on some cotton wool pads with some lukewarm water and gave them a good rub, a good massaging, and then just rinsed as normal. So if anyone is looking to get their eyebrows transplant, I would 100% guarantee for you to come to the British Hair Clinic. Best decision I made.